smartphone screens can sometimes be a bit small. What if you were able to view and control your Android smartphone on a bigger screen? Introducing Screencast, the mobile app designed to broadcast your Android screen on any device with a web browser. Perfect for watching videos on the big screen and sharing photos with family. Ideal for professional presentations and digital learning environments. To begin, download Screencast from the Google Play Store. Launch Screencast and go through our simple guided setup to get started. Sharing your audio lets viewers hear sound from your phone during the broadcast. Manage Viewers shows you who is watching and lets you disconnect anyone you don't want. First, you will need to choose your connection method to start broadcasting. Select Same Wi-Fi network as PC to connect for free, or select Mobile Hotspot to connect your PC to your phone's hotspot. Remote Broadcast is a premium feature. Use it to connect from anywhere, even over mobile data or a different Wi-Fi network. For this demo, we will choose the free option, Same Wi-Fi network as PC. Make sure your phone and PC are connected on the same Wi-Fi network to begin. Tap Start Broadcasting to begin sharing your screen. You can choose to share your entire phone screen or just a single application. For the purpose of this demo, we will choose to broadcast a single application from your phone. Android will ask for screen sharing permission. Tap Next to proceed. Select the Gallery app from the list to share it. On your PC, open a web browser and enter the URL shown on Screencast. The Gallery app now appears live on your PC browser. It's that simple. Want more great useful features? Upgrade to our premium plan for audio sharing, password protection, and to remotely access and control your phone from any web browser. Choose your subscription plan. The annual plan offers the best value. To turn on audio sharing, toggle the switch next to Share Audio. Allow Screencast to record audio. Audio sharing is now active. Return to the Gallery app and play a video with audio. The audio from your phone plays in the browser. Viewers can now hear the sound. The password feature protects your broadcast. Only viewers with the correct password can see your screen. Turn on the switch next to Require Password. Share this password with your viewers. Viewers must enter it before they can see your screen. Sharing the password with viewers enables visibility into the number of active connections. If you don't want someone watching anymore, just disconnect them from the viewer list. You can always edit your password at any time to keep your broadcast secure. Simply click on the edit icon next to your password. Type your new password and select Update. Remote Control lets you operate your phone from any web browser. To set up remote control access, click on the Complete Setup button. You will need to follow the process to enable touch control from your browser through your device settings. For a complete step-by-step guide, watch our tutorial video on enabling accessibility permissions on your phone. Once turned on, you can control your phone from any web browser. Next, set up keyboard access so you can type from your computer. Select Enable in Settings. In your phone's keyboard settings, find Screencast in the list and turn it on. Back in Screencast, tap Switch Keyboard and select Screencast as your active keyboard. Setup is complete. Remote control is now active. Type the URL shown in Screencast into your PC browser to view and control your phone. You're all set. You can now type and control your phone directly from any web browser. Download Screencast from the Google Play Store today. Scan the QR code or search for Screencast by DeskShare. Enjoying Screencast? Check out some of our other productivity apps on the Google Play Store. Scan the QR code to see the full list.